Hello friends, I'm Sujata and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to grow and care for money plant or pothos. Pothos or money plant are very easy growing, hassle free and low maintenance plants. It also grow in low light so you can also keep it indoors. Propagating, it is very easy to propagate. You can do it in two ways. You can take a cutting that has a node and small root elevation and place it in water. Or you can place it in potting mix. Actually, the difference is that if you place in water, the roots develop faster. And in potting mix, it takes a little more time. Anyways, it always the same. Root develop in between 1 and 2 weeks. After that, you can pot it. Preparing the potting mix. You can prepare a simple potting mix for the plant. Just mix three things: 40% of garden soil, 40% of compost, and 20% of river sand, and you're ready to go. Taking care of money plant, there are some simple points on taking care of pothos. It is easy, just go through these to make sure everything is all right. Light, pothos cannot tolerate strong or direct sunlight when it is small or during its growing period. Never place it in direct sunlight when it's young. Water, pothos like water, give it lot of water. Just make sure that water is not lagging in the soil and also that your soil is not getting dry. Fertilization, there is no need of serious fertilization as it is a low maintenance plant. The compost you gave on preparing potting mix work for a long time. You can mix some compost with water and give it once a month. Never over fertilize it, it can be dangerous. So, friends, this is all about the topic. If you're new to my channel and if you like this type of information, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and also add a comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you.